All right, here I have this 500 watt air duster. This thing gives you strong wind force, superpower copper motor, and it has a lot of attachments for extra cleaning. Now, first thing you're gonna notice is that it actually is not cordless. This thing plugs in, but that actually makes it more powerful. Like you could blow up mattresses, you can blow up inflatables, and yes, you can dust off your desk if it's really dusty. And it comes with these attachments that you can pop on. This one right here, you can pop on, and it has a little brush on it, so you can be blowing and brushing at the same time. If maybe there's something a little bit more stubborn on there, not coming off, you can just blow that. And you can attach this longer nozzle to that one to make it even more concentrated. Or you can add this small attachment right here that you can use to pop in some kind of inflatable that will blow out that way. And then when you fill it up all the way, there's like a little bit of a release so you won't overfill it. You have a low mode and a high mode, and then off right here, there's a switch. You can rotate the back to unlock or lock the sponge filter, and then you can change or clean those filters back there. So something like this is perfect for your workshop, or maybe you have a studio set up and you have this plugged in all the time. You can easily pick it up, dust everything off, especially if you're filming something really close. It's easy to get dust on things that you won't see with your eyes, but when you're in macro mode, you'll definitely see that dust. So this is great. It works great. Very, very powerful. Highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.